Hello and welcome to the walking talking topic, solving linear equations, question 9 with me, Mr. Barton. Now this is a very tricky looking solving linear equation question, and in fact unless you're really careful you're in serious danger of potentially not picking up any of the 3 marks available for this question. And there's a couple of things that complicate it. The first is the fact that you've got fractions on both sides of the equal sign, and secondly you've got x's in 2 different places. Put those 2 things together and this question could cause you a lot of trouble. So let's try and navigate our way through it. Now my golden rule is as soon as I see a fraction I want to get rid of it. Now there's a couple of ways of doing that. In a previous question on this series in the solving linear equations I looked to combine fractions together. This time I'm going to get rid of my fractions in one fell swoop. This 5x minus 1 is being divided by 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides of my equation by 2. But I've got to be really careful because I've got to do it to every term. This is a term, the 5x minus 1 over 2. This is a term, my minus x. And this is a term, my half. Everything's got to be times by 2. So let's do it. 5x minus 1 divided by 2, then times by 2, just leaves me with 5x minus 1. Now I've got to do it. Minus x multiplied by 2 is going to leave me with minus 2x's. And then don't forget this side as well. 1/2 or 1 over 2 times by 2 is just going to leave me with the 1, the numerator on top. Now if you get that bit right, the rest of the question is very easy, but that is a tricky first step. But let's not slip up here. We've done the hard work. Let's make sure we get the marks. 5x take 2x is 3x. I've still got me minus 1, and that's equal to 1. I'm going to add 1 to both sides. So I'm going to get 3x, my minus 1 plus 1, gone. 1 plus 1 is 2. And then finally, I'm going to divide by 3. X is equal to, make sure you get this the right way around, 2 divided by 3. Don't worry about doing anything else. 2/3 is a perfectly valid answer for that one, and that's 3 marks.